Oatmeal is a popular breakfast food that has been enjoyed for centuries. It's a great source of fiber and protein, and can provide you with sustained energy throughout the day. However, there are a few reasons why you might want to think twice before eating oatmeal. The first reason is that oatmeal can be high in sugar. If you add sweeteners like honey or brown sugar to your oatmeal, you may be consuming more sugar than you realize. Even some prepackaged instant oatmeal brands contain high levels of added sugar. Consuming too much sugar can lead to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and other health issues. Another reason to be cautious with oatmeal is that it may contain harmful toxins. Oatmeal can be contaminated with a mycotoxin called aflatoxin, which is produced by a type of mold that can grow on grains like oats. Aflatoxin is a known carcinogen and has been linked to liver cancer. However, it's worth noting that the risk of aflatoxin contamination in oatmeal is relatively low, and most people will not be exposed to harmful levels of this toxin. Finally, some people may experience digestive issues when consuming oatmeal. Oatmeal is high in fiber, which can be difficult for some people to digest. This can lead to bloating, gas, and other uncomfortable symptoms. If you experience digestive issues after eating oatmeal, try reducing your portion size or combining it with other foods that are easier to digest. But don't worry, there are ways to enjoy oatmeal while minimizing these risks. You can reduce your sugar intake by adding fresh fruit or spices like cinnamon to your oatmeal instead of sweeteners. You can also choose organic oatmeal, which is less likely to contain harmful toxins. And if you do experience digestive issues with oatmeal, try soaking it overnight in water or milk, which can help break down some of the fiber and make it easier to digest. So, while oatmeal may not be the perfect breakfast food for everyone, it can still be a healthy and delicious option when consumed in moderation and prepared properly. If you're looking for a nutritious breakfast that will give you energy throughout the day, oatmeal is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative and entertaining videos.